Before buying a steam mop for tile floors, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, Shark Steam Mop S1000. Let's kick things off with the Shark Steam Mop S1000, priced at $69.99. What caught my attention is its lightweight design and the fact that it's a bestseller with over 19,000 reviews. If you want a quick and effective way to sanitize your tile floors, this is worth a serious look. This steam mop heats up in just 30 seconds and uses chemical-free steam to blast away dirt and grime. The 12.68-ounce removable water tank means you can fill it easily, and the 18-foot power cord gives you a wide cleaning radius. With machine washable dirt grip pads, you won't have to keep buying replacements, which is a huge plus. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You get clean floors in a fraction of the time without any harmful chemicals, perfect if you have kids or pets crawling around. Now, some people complained about it being too lightweight, which they felt made it less durable. Here's the thing though, while it may not be as heavy-duty, it's designed to make cleaning effortless and is still quite effective on all sealed hard floors. This is perfect for you if you want a no-fuss, lightweight cleaner that's easy to maneuver. Skip this one if you're looking for something that's heavy-duty and can tackle industrial messes. For the price, it offers solid value. Now, if the lightweight design of the Shark S1000 made you think about durability, the next product takes a different approach with enhanced steam power. Product number 2, Shark Steam Pocket Mop S3501. Next up is the Shark Steam Pocket Mop S3501, available for $79.99. This one caught my eye because it features double-sided cleaning pads, which means you can clean more without frequent washing. With a solid rating of 4.4 stars from 43,700 reviews, it's another bestseller. The dual-sided pads let you flip the mop over, extending your cleaning session and minimizing the hassle of laundry. It heats up in 30 seconds just like the last one, and the swivel steering makes it super maneuverable. Here's why this matters. It saves you time and effort, letting you tackle messes quickly and efficiently. However, some users found that the pads didn't hold up as long as expected after multiple washes. But honestly, the cleaning efficiency and convenience of having that dual-sided feature outweighs the occasional need to replace pads. This is perfect for busy households wanting quick and efficient cleaning. Skip this one if you prefer a mop with more scrubbing power. Still, for its price and features, it's a worthwhile investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for multi-surface cleaning. Product number 3, LABIGO 10-in-1 Steam Mop. Now let's check out the LABIGO 10-in-1 Steam Mop, priced at $67.45. This one caught my attention because it offers multiple functions and attachments, making it quite versatile. It has a rating of 4.2 stars from 4,100 reviews, and it's definitely a favorite among multitaskers. It's not just for tile floors. You can use it on carpets, windows, and even your barbecue grill. The 350 ml tank allows for about 12-15 minutes of continuous cleaning, which is great for larger areas. Here's why this matters. You get a lot of bang for your buck with this one gadget, saving you from buying separate cleaners for different surfaces. Some users mentioned that the water tank could be a bit small for extensive cleaning sessions. Now I get that, but I'd argue that its versatility and efficiency in quickly handling messes make it a fantastic option for anyone who values multi-purpose tools. This is perfect for you if you want a steam mop that can do it all without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you need something strictly for floor use. For its price and utility, it's a steal. If you liked the versatility of the LABIGO mop, the next one offers a similar feature set but with a different approach in design. Product number 4, Shark Steam Spot S2001. Next, we have the Shark Steam Spot S2001, coming in at $109.99. It grabbed my attention with its steam blaster technology that promises better removal of tough stains. It has a solid 4.4-star rating from nearly 1,000 reviews, making it a reliable option. It boasts a powerful combination of steam and textured pads that provide up to 50% better stain removal compared to traditional mops. Here's why this matters. If you're dealing with stubborn stains on your tile floors, this mop gives you the right tools to tackle them head-on. Still, some users found that the mop could be a bit bulky, making it harder to store. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about getting rid of tough stains, that slight inconvenience is a fair trade-off for the cleaning power you gain. This is perfect for you if you need a heavy hitter for tough messes. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra-compact. It's a bit pricier, but the performance justifies it. Now, if you need something that's both compact and powerful, the last one might be exactly what you're looking for. Product number 5, Scrub with Steam Mop. Finally, let's take a look at the Scrub with Steam Mop, which is priced at $66.47. This caught my attention because it's a 10-in-1 cleaner, coming with a variety of attachments for versatile cleaning. With a rating of 4.1 stars from 2,400 reviews, it's a solid contender. The 350 ml water tank allows for efficient cleaning sessions, and it comes with multiple attachments to tackle everything from floors to clothes. Here's why this matters. You can keep your entire home clean with one tool, making it a significant time saver. However, a few users mentioned that the build quality could feel a bit flimsy. I'll be real with you, while it may not feel as sturdy as others, the functionality and variety of attachments make it an effective cleaner for most situations. This is perfect for you if you want an all-in-one steam cleaning solution. Skip this one if you want something with a more premium feel. For the price, you get excellent value for a multi-purpose cleaner. So to wrap it up, we've covered 5 fantastic steam mops. The Shark Steam Mop S1000 and S3501 are lightweight and user-friendly. LABIGO offers versatility. The Shark Steam Spot is a powerhouse for tough stains, and the Scrub Whiz gives you the most accessories. Each has its strengths, so it really depends on what you value most in a steam mop. Choose wisely.